The true purpose of education is to make minds, not careers. Hello and welcome to the Educom India Today Educational Excellence Awards, a first-of-its-kind initiative aimed to reward teachers and principals across the country for their dedicated efforts towards constant innovation in the teaching process in schools. These awards had 4 zonal rounds, one each for the West, East, North and South zones. These 4 zonals then culminated into a grand finale at the national level. Now in each zone, teachers and principals were felicitated under multiple subcategories under the 2 main categories of the Teacher of the Year and the Principal of the Year. And at the end of each zonal round, we had 2 main winners for the Teacher of the Year and the Principal of the Year awards. Last week, we brought you the East and West zonals, and this week, we first begin with the North zonal of the Educom India Today Educational Excellence Awards, which was held here in the national capital.
The event started with an introductory speech by Piyush Malik, Divisional Manager from Educom, on this unique initiative.
Educom Solutions and India Today have come up with this first-of-its-kind initiative to identify and to extend our thanks and appreciate the effort put in by all the teachers and principals all across the country who have with their skills and expertise come up and change the systems and come up to the level that they have changed the system to an excellent level, and they are actually changing the education system in the country.
A child's foundation is laid by good education, and that is why the role of their faculty becomes critical in the shaping of their future. The zonals of the Educom India Today Educational Excellence Awards awarded one such exceptional teacher as the Teacher of the Year and one outstanding principal as Principal of the Year. But in order to arrive at the final 2 winners, the shortlisted candidates from the North Zone had to showcase their creativity and innovation in the field of education before an esteemed jury.
The presentation started with the teachers, and the first was Nisha Batra from St. Mary's School, Delhi.
Our school is now piloting the use of technology for Google applications and tools for teaching. In collaboration with Britannica, 2 separate English labs had been set up for the juniors so that they may master the language. We have encouraged a systematic approach to identify and rehabilitate students with special needs by introducing a program where specially able students are taught CorelDRAW and Photoshop so that they too may develop 21st century skills.
Next was Deepthi Verma from Indraprasth World School, Delhi.
I learn every day. I teach. I am a teacher. Social media, like Facebook, is very commonly used in my classrooms to share the educational campaigns available. I have the pages Perfect Mathematics and Mathematical Tricks and Solutions, which my children use extensively to sort out their problems and innovate their learning. We make extensive use of mathematics in creating something new out of cups, you can see. And then we have mathematical clocks from grade 3 to grade 12, applying different mathematical concepts.
Shyamala Rani Rao from Ramja School, Pusa Road, Delhi presented next.
Technology has helped me to change the way I teach. I have used the social media, Facebook, and new tools such as Sway and Yammer, which has been brought into and incorporated in the academic system by Microsoft.
The first presentation from the shortlisted principals was by Dr. Anuradha Mehta, Principal of Red Roses Public School, Delhi.
We have undertaken many projects like cybercrime, cyberbullying, and earned outstanding award every year from University of Calabasas, California. Our school was one of the pioneer schools to start smart board, smart classes in all the classrooms.
Next presentation was by Neeta Arora, Principal, Shri Venkateshwar International School, Delhi.
My school gives a lot of emphasis on reading skills. I feel if reading is inculcated in society, children will become self-learners, and that is what we are doing. We have a class library system in grade 6. Each child is issued 50 to 70 books as per the exile every year.
LV Sehgal, Principal of Bal Bharti Public School, Gangaram Road, Delhi, presented next.
We have quite a large number of clubs. One which I will like to highlight is this Tod Phod Jod Club. Now what the children do in this is that they bring in whatever gadget is not being used at home, and they are asked to break it, to just open it and see what is inside, and then they use those parts which they can and create something new.
The final presentation was given by Sonia Luthra, Principal of ASN Senior Secondary School, Delhi.
My students have adopted our village, Yamuna Khadar, and they have started a project called Khoish. Under Khoish, they have done many projects. They sensitize the underprivileged students about why the TB is happening, why Swachhta is required in the form of various presentations. All our ASNites to be involved in any of the community work, and even my 4th class, all the employees were trained by my students about computer literacy. In the holidays they came, and every year that's a practice. Even my driver could send mail to me.
Now, with the introduction of smart classes in most schools today, the thrust is on greater student interaction and enjoying the process of learning. In such a setup, the responsibility of the faculty does increase, for they have to keep their teaching methods engaging and, most importantly, innovative. It is this responsibility that the Educational Excellence Award rewarded by felicitating teachers and principals from the North Zone under the different subcategories of the Teacher of the Year and Principal of the Year.
Under the subcategories of the Teacher of the Year, the award for innovative use of school media in teaching went to Deepti Verma from Indraprastha World School, Delhi. The winner for excellence in teaching vernacular languages went to Rupa Sehgal, Kundan Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Ludhiana. The best teacher for co-curricular activities was awarded to Dr. Kiran Saini, BCM Arya Model Senior Secondary School, Ludhiana. The most outstanding contribution in student counselling went to Amul Sharma, NK Bagrodia School, Delhi. The winner of excellence in the use of innovative learning tools was Nisha Batra from St. Mary's School, Delhi. The award for excellence in academic results of students went to Shamla Rani Rao from Ramjas School, Pusa Road, Delhi. Innovative use of technology in teaching again went to Nisha Batra from St. Mary's School, Delhi. Excellence in teaching social studies went to Ramandeep Dhariwal from ASN International School, Delhi. Excellence in teaching commerce went to Ritika Sopti from Delhi International School, New Delhi. After the teachers, it was the principals who were awarded for the subcategories under the Principal of the Year. The award for outstanding contribution to encouraging curriculum concept application in real life into the school's pedagogy saw a tie between Ragini Kaul, Principal of GD Goenka Public School, Delhi, and Vandana Midha from Gyan Shri School, Delhi. The winner for innovative use of social media was Dr. M. Kasturi, Principal Birla Balika Vidyapeeth, Pilani. The award for the best reputation management of schools went to Sonia Luthra, Principal of ASN Senior Secondary School, Delhi. The winner of excellence in student counselling contributing towards student achievement was Dr. Paramjeet Kaur, Principal BCM Arya Model Senior Secondary School, Ludhiana. The award for outstanding contribution to technology and use of technology in teaching went to Deep Kumar, Principal of GHG Academy, Ludhiana. best in ensuring ongoing teacher enhancement went to Dr. Anuradha Mehta, Principal of Red Roses Public School, Delhi. The best use of online education tool again went to Neeta Arora from Sri Venkateshwar International School, Delhi. The final felicitation in the subcategories was for the consistent pursuit of academic excellence, and it went to LV Sehgal from Bal Bharti Public School, Gangaram Road, Delhi.
And after those felicitations, it is time to shift focus to the highlight of the North Zonal, which has the two winners of the main categories, Teacher of the Year and Principal of the Year.
Good afternoon. Whatever was presented by each of principal or teachers, we focused on those, linking it with the category of award. Earlier, we just looked at the overall magnitude or the kind of efforts or the volume or the kind of initiatives, whatever the categories were there. Of course, things were based totally on the way you presented.
Congratulations to all the winners. Well, here we'll take a short break. But when we come back, we will move to the gateway of South India, Chennai, for our South Zonal.
Both the teacher as well as the principal and the context in which they have been running the school and the classes. And that's how we arrived at the final results.
Welcome back. You're watching the Zonals of the EduCom India Today Educational Excellence Awards, an initiative that is designed to recognize and felicitate teachers and principals across the country for their innovative methods in the field of education. So now we move on to the Zonals for the South, which was held in the city of Chennai.
The Chennai event started with a note by Krishna Kumar, Divisional Manager from EduCom, on this first-of-its-kind initiative.
EduCom, as you all know, that we have been involved for last 2 decades in improving the education in classroom. In this journey of 2 decades, we have been noticing that teachers' effort towards improving the quality of student and making them success in their life. So we thought it's the right time now where we have to recognize our teachers, not only our teachers but teachers across the country, and the principals who put their tremendous effort to make future India more brighter and stronger.
The South Zonal commenced with the presentations of the teachers and the principals who had been shortlisted for the two main awards of the Zonals, Teacher of the Year and Principal of the Year. The candidates were judged by an esteemed panel of 3 jury members.
The presentation started with the teachers, and the first was by P.P. Vijayashree from Kamlavati Higher Secondary School, Sahupuram.
I am very blessed to work in my school because this is the first school, CBSE school in Tuticorin. And in my school, we are having a club that is called as Karuna Club. Karuna Club is mainly based on humanity and then cruelty to animals and the prevention of the nature. Previous 2 years, we are getting that outstanding school award for Karuna Club. So like a versatile teacher, I want to teach a lot with the help of this technology and my activity that is called Karuna activity.
Next was Ranjini Gopalakrishnan from Padma Seshadri Bal Bhavan Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
Concepts like how matrix inversion can be taught through a dramatization, or how the probability of theory can be brought out through the Galton board, are some of the small examples which really put children to think and come closer to the concepts. We also strive to create our own software. Some of the complex graphs, equations, the functions which don't make any sense to the students are shown graphically. The visual impact lasts longer.
Now these tools, these technological tools that are used, so do the teachers start using it at a much younger age?
Our children right from standard 1 are made aware of the available technology and how simple things like buying grocery from the shop can help in explaining addition to students as young as children in first standard and second standard.
Next presentation was by T. Ramasubramanian from Kola Perumal Chetti Vaishnav Senior Secondary School, Chennai.
Well, I personally believe don't expect the child to learn the way you teach rather than teach the way they learn. We have different programs exceed the playway method where the children are used to handle the developables at the tender age from pre-KG to class 4. At the class 11 and 12, which I am teaching mathematics, I use to a certain extent the modules that's available from Edukom, modules that's available from private publishers, and self-prepared modules for myself. With this, I think I am in a position to clarify their doubts.
The first presentation from the shortlisted principals was by Shyamala Suresh, principal of CSI Bain School, Chennai.
When I took over as the principal of Bain 3 years ago, the smart boards were already installed in all the 70 classrooms in the school, and I made sure that this was used to the full extent to benefit the pupils at all levels. I have started the Promise Club and the MyBee Club, which helps develop their personalities and communicative skill in the students.
The final presentation was given by Ajit Prasad Jain, Principal, Bhavans Rajaji Vidyashram, Chennai.
I strongly believe that there should be a two-ended communication between the school and the parents, and we give all opportunities for the parents, and I'm very, very happy to inform you that we are the first paperless school in India. We communicate everything through only our website. Media library, what is the media library? The uniqueness of the media library is at the end of the year, the children will be moved from 7A to 8A. But the media library, what the teacher has done, it will be remains there. And she may go to 7B next year and some other new teacher will come. But the resource what the teacher has stored, it will be available. It will be available for all the parents through the parent login. And also we have all the homework and assignments, everything is sent through our Yammer service. It is a Microsoft product which we are using it. The moment teacher update the homework in her mobile, then automatically it goes into Yammer, and also an SMS alert will go to the parent. So my idea is minimum number of visit by the parents and maximum benefit by the parents.
After the presentations, while the jury did take their time to arrive at the final two winners, it was time to felicitate teachers and principals from the South Zone under the different subcategories of the Teacher of the Year and Principal of the Year.
Under the subcategories of the Teacher of the Year, the award for excellence in the use of innovative learning tools went to Morin Selvam from CSI Bain School, Chennai, and the award was received on her behalf. Innovative use of social media and teaching went to T. Ramasubramanian from Kola Perumal Chetti Vaishnav Senior Secondary School, Chennai. The innovative use of technology in teaching was awarded to Ranjini Gopalakrishnan from Padma Seshadri Bal Bhavan Senior Secondary School, Chennai. The winner of excellence in academic results of students was P.P. Vijayashri from Kamlavati Higher Secondary School, Sahupuram. Excellence in co-curricular activities was again bagged by Morin Selvam from CSI Bain School, Chennai, and the award was received on her behalf. The award for excellence in teaching English language went to Balamurali S., PEM School of Excellence, Tirupur, and the award was received on his behalf. The award for excellence in teaching vernacular language went to Adhilakshmi, Angels Babyland Matric Higher Secondary School, Chennai. The winner of excellence in teaching mathematics went to Jayati Rani from PEM School of Excellence, Tirupur. After the teachers, it was the principals who were awarded for the subcategories under the Principal of the Year. The award for outstanding contribution to encouraging curriculum concept application in real life into the school's pedagogy went to Kausalya Rajan, Principal of PEM School of Excellence, Tirupur, and the award was received on his behalf. Outstanding contribution to technology and use of technology in teaching was awarded to Shyamala Suresh, Principal of CSI Bain School, Chennai. The winner of the innovative use of social media was Like Unisa, Principal MES Razina Matric Higher Secondary School, Chennai. Excellence in setting up sustainable and scalable systems in inclusive education was awarded to Manjula Raman, Army Public School, Bengaluru. The award for best use of online education tools went to Ajit Prasad Jain, Principal of Bhavans Rajaji Vidyashram, Chennai.
Congratulations to all the worthy winners. And without prolonging the wait, let's quickly move to the highlight of the South Zonal, the winners of the Teacher of the Year and Principal of the Year.
It's been a privilege to be part of the jury, and we took a holistic perspective of both the teacher as well as the principal and the context in which they've been running the school and the classes. And that's how we arrived at the final results. We begin with the Teacher of the Year, Ranjani Gopalakrishnan of Padma Seshadri Balabhavan Senior Secondary School. Mr. Ajit Prasad Jain of Bhavans Rajaji Vidyashram.
A good teacher molds minds, but a good teacher has a greater power, that of changing lives. And it is these initiatives like the EduCom India Today Educational Excellence Award which can be the stimuli to a more innovative and practical approach to teaching. Do tune in to our next episode where we will culminate our series with the grand finale of the EduCom India Today Educational Excellence Awards. Goodbye and thank you so much for watching.